down to the boat. Simon's down there working and been there for a little while, so see how he's getting on. Sent me a picture just now of the transom. Said it looks alright, which is good. And he's been doing some painting, which will be cool to see. So getting there now, let's check it out. Stuff's happening here. Hey, working hard or hardly working?
Not right, both. I only just started when I saw you pull up.
Yeah. Well.
That's
alright,
isn't it?
Be alright, wasn't it?
So, we had worms.
You have worms?
Yeah.
Did you go to the doctors or no?
No. So, it's been raised up. There's a bit of wood here.
Yeah.
A bit of wood going across the top here.
Yeah.
And there was worms in it.
Mm.
So the wood was not rotten, it was damp. There was lots of like soil stuff in there.
Yeah, where it had been eaten and pooed out.
Yeah.
Oh.
So we're good.
Cool. Yeah, that's what we thought, wasn't it? That they filled this gap with some timber, 2x2 or something.
Yeah.
And then just sheeted over it.
So Geezer's gone away to make up new one of them.
This is the guy, the boat guy, is it?
The guy that had, yeah, the boat loader.
Really?
That had the Fletcher.
Yeah.
He's gone away to make up 2 of them, new one. And then he'll come back, glass it all in.
Oh, ideal.
Jobs are good. So really happy with that. Really happy with that.
Fantastic. Let's have a look at the rest of it.
On the downside though.
What?
It can't be lowered.
No. That's right.
Which means the motor I've got ain't going to fit.
It's not going to work, is it?
No. But I've now got 2 Evinrude motors.
Yeah.
There's got to be one good one there somewhere, isn't there?
Yeah. Make the 30 work. Well, unless we can swap the shaft on the other
Find something, I don't know.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we're half anti-fouled underneath.
Is that the black stuff?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's alright, isn't it?
That's anti-foul, is it?
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it's got watermarks there. It's only had 1 coat, it's got to have a couple. But we went down the boatyard, so dug out all the moorings as well. And all the anti-foul on the coats have gone like this, like watermarks on it.
Oh, okay.
It's really funny.
What's going on over here then?
Top half's had a coat.
Not doing that wood anymore then? Right.
Yeah. I tried to get it off, but the wood was just coming away, so they're decorative.
Yeah. Oh well, that's alright. I nearly grabbed it then, just like to see if it was sturdy. Maybe I'd have gone around and then
So the top half's had its first coat.
First coat on the top half. It's getting there, isn't it?
Doing alright, isn't it?
Yeah, doing alright. Doing well, mate. Well, I'll have to pull my finger out and actually do something, haven't I?
Yeah, you're in charge of the door.
The door? Yeah.
And then I got wallpapering to do inside.
So things are actually up on the up here now. Simon and Co have been decorating the boat. They're doing all the painting and such, which is going well. It's just a bit time consuming, but it's going alright. All the inside's been cleaned out and it's looking a lot tidier in there. As far as motors are concerned, this little one needs a return spring for the pull start, and she's a goer. We know that. That's a given. The transom is being taken care of by a boat builder acquaintance that Simon knows, so that's all in hand, and it's going to be a lot better than probably anything that we could have done. And then as far as the motor's concerned, we've got the old Evinrude, but we've also got this 35 Evinrude here, which is an identical motor, but it's a short shaft, which is a shame because we knew that we could have put that one on the boat and it would have been would have worked fine. Because it's a short shaft and this can't be lowered, or it's not going to get lowered, we're going to have to make use of the original Evinrude that was on it, and use the 35 for the parts that the 30 needed. The good thing about that is it's all going to hook up and wire in perfectly good with the wiring loom that was originally in the boat, so we don't have to faff around with that. And he's got a chap he's got to talk to who's potentially up for doing that, making the one good motor out of the two. Can't remember what I was talking about now.
You haven't got no words.
You suck!
One good motor out of the two.
One good motor out of the two. So boat will be all painted soon. The little Mariner should be okay once we get the return spring on that one. We should have a 30 to go on it with the long shaft. The rear transom should be good to go. And then it's a few cosmetic things, seat covers, bits and pieces like that.
Drinks cabinet.
Yeah, drinks cabinet. Put some hinges on some stuff. I've got to make a new door for the cabin. He's got a new helm that's going to go in there with this funky steering wheel. You haven't seen the steering wheel yet. I have, but it's quite cool. So yeah, be a lot better. Spirits are a lot higher than they have been, which is great. It shouldn't be too long, really. Give it, 3 or 4 weeks. He's got a 6 weeks benchmark to try and get it in the water, and there's no reason why we can't hit that mark. So good to go. There's your update.